our chapter name. Yes, mute yourself. Okay. Now you can see this picture, children, and this is the same picture which is there in your textbook also. Yes, in this you can see the map, and you can see many children are in a different countries, and different state. In this, if you can see, okay, where is I'll ask the question and you will give the answer in the chat box. In which city the Taj Mahal located? Write it in the chat box. Yes, it's in the Agra. Yes. Now you have to be careful for the second question. In which direction is the Taj Mahal located for Graham? Where is Graham? Search in this map. Where is he? He is in Europe. So how it will be? We will be seeing Agra is in which direction? East direction. Everyone know na, north, south, east, west. Okay. So for Graham, the Agra is in east direction. And for from the where he is in St. Petersburg. For Katya, Katya, she's a girl. Where she is? She is in Kimberley. Where she is in a state of Africa, Kimberley. So for her, where is the Taj Mahal? Where is the Taj Mahal? In a northeast direction. Okay. Next is Michiko. Michiko, she is in Tokyo. Michiko, she is in Tokyo. So for her, the Agra will be in which direction? West direction. Okay. Next is Meenakshi. Now, where is Meenakshi? She is in a Port Blair. Where she is? She is in a Port Blair. For her, the Agra will be where? In the north direction. Okay. Then the Shahid in Agra is specifying the direction in which others live. How will he express? How he will show the direction of other students? Write it in a chat box. How he is going to show, or how he is going to find out the other children. How he can, yes, with the help of the compass. You all must be knowing about the compass. We are using the compass for the direction purpose, to know the direction, whether it's a north, south, east or west. Okay. Next is, yes, I want Shruti to unmute yourself and read this. Shruti. Shruti. Okay. Mansi. Sorry. Manasvi.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Hello.
Yes. Read.
Okay. When each one of the children told the direction from their in what's ma'am that
Individual place.
individual place,
Their
answers were different.
Yes.
This means that the use of directions alone does not help us to accurately describe the location of a place. That's why it became necessary to find a new system to state the exact location of any place on the earth.
Yes. Beta, you have to read at home. Okay,
Okay.
your reading practice should be there. Read it at home. Yes, when each one of the children told the direction from their individual place. Yes, Agra was for everyone. The Agra was in different place, right? So their answers were different. Okay, this means that the use of the direction alone does not help us. Use of the direction alone cannot help us actually to describe the location of a place. Actually, to describe a location of a place, okay, we alone cannot, only simply we cannot say it's in north, it's in south, it's in west. Okay, we have to find out some other reasons to make it out a location of a place. That is why it becomes necessary to find a new system to state the exact location of any place on the earth. Now we have to make out a new system or a new thing to find out the location of any place. Okay, to for example, if I'll take of a Badlapur, so we now know the direction. Okay, where it is in India, where it is located, Mumbai, Thane district, all this we know. Okay, but to make out a particular direction where exactly it's located, we have to find out a new system for it to measure how much kilometers it takes, how much broad it is, how much in the length it is. All these things, for this we have to make out a system. Okay, so yes, Piyush.
Of the east, west, and north south diameters of the earth. Oceanic waters,
Oceanic
une-
waters.
oceanic waters, uneven nature of the land, forest, innumerable
Iceland.
island of different sizes and buildings make it impossible to actually draw such lines on the earth. In order to overcome this difficulty, geographers developed a miniature
Miniature. Yes.
model of the earth in the form of a globe. One can actually draw horizontal and vertical lines on a globe, though not on the earth, thus they are imaginary lines on the earth.
Yes, mute yourself.
Okay, teacher.
Okay, the length of the east, west, and north, south, we can measure it with the diameter, which you can see in your screen. Yes, we can see the diameter of both. Yes, from the east, west also, that is the equator, 12, 7,